So how you doing? Hey, today Muffler came over and he brought the Joncutter 5800 over, and we were playing with it, trying to figure some stuff out. Now he shortened up the pipe on it. He's trying to see where the power of the pipe is hitting compared to how the saw is running. And things definitely changed since the last time it ran. Things actually went downhill a little. So he was playing with it. We're trying to figure it out, but we kind of think it might need a fuel line or something and along that range, but there's definitely something going on. Now during this process, you'll see that he actually pulled the pipe completely off of it and ran it without the pipe. And this will give us a chance to see how it does with the pipe versus without the pipe. And you'll be able to see that the pipe, something's not right with it. It's not hitting right. So definitely did not go in the right direction this test run. So yeah, you'll get to see some of our trials, I guess you could say, of trying to figure this saw out and get it running correctly. Now I think I'm going to pull up the computer program and see about making the adjustments on the program to see if we can figure out how to get this thing running correctly, as far as the dimensions of the pipe. The problem is we don't know what the peak RPM is going to be for this saw, so it's kind of hard to figure it out on the program if you don't know what that's going to be. So yeah, a little bit of trial and error going on. That's the life of running alcohol in a pipe and everything. So hope you enjoy this one.
Screwdriver. like that switch on this thing. I'm telling you, that's what it is.
So, I don't know if it's your tank vent, but that's your impulse. I'm wondering if your fuel line and fuel filter might not be able to draw fuel fast enough.
That's what I was just thinking.
Do that in a bigger vent.
I don't like this switch on this thing. The way they're Chinese clone. I'm going to say it has to do with it. That fuel filter might not be. You might have to put one of them higher capacity ones on it.
Yep.
I just got one of them.
Tiny little things. I just used my last one.
I had some at the house. I mean, it's getting low on alcohol, but you can see it there.
It might even be that fuel line. That fuel line might not be able
You
to
can
handle
see
alcohol.
it there. It's got that. Yeah.
That fuel line might not be able to handle alcohol. It might be sucking shut on you.
Yeah, I have a fuel pump in the carburetor can't keep. It makes more power with no muffler than it does with that pipe on it.
Yeah, the pipe's off.
Huh?
The pipe's off.
So I can make a muffler. It looks like a muffler, like my 660.
You could, but it's cooler with the pipe. The pipe should produce more power.
We're gonna put some whatchamacallit in that pipe. So yeah, once again, just for experimental purposes.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, a little trial and error going on here with the Joncutter, but we'll figure it out. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's a lot of trial and error figuring these things out, and you know, that's kind of where we're at. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.